Enti Ghana for no e de abufuo abai komadwen e da child education minister honorable Haruna Idrisu on sa akoba say ye be kire China for kasa ye be kire Chinese language and Arabic wo kindergarten ye mo from toto fi wonu moko school no ye be say ye be has ye a kire mu Chinese language and Arabic no ana Ghana for na Ghana be for kwa dia asemi mu da mo dwene fa henefa Homo aweke umajene. Mema nchiri bunu achere wajene dia mame comment section. I Penyah block me the best say any demo. Obe like video na da ma subscribe button so abek click notification icon no flitters. Abde be chere wajene mame comment section. Oba so a no ahye boss enya bia hwe no be kan phone nala money send up na dia ma to no say suye no say open app obet na send ska every USA, every UK. E dia call any African country a nala ana obi a esubie. From promo code Penyah TV send this guy. Na ombe chow $20 amazing for free. In fact, almost transaction are very fast. O send ya na edufie na emunano na na for no asa ma $20 for free. Now let's go to rest. Obekaya. I was here 2025 nimu December mu hono mo ana omo henti ye say they are coming to introduce a new curriculum. The new curriculum no omo they will incorporate teaching and learning of what? Chinese language e Ghana ha. Just omo the best teaching and learning of Chinese language. Omo the shim. Emma that 2025 no. Who say be deja Emma sports journalist Sadiq Adams kwano that time obeke kan na dwen say Ghana kwa dey asem nie. Why say but sound common no say na enwu ye na adane ball asuja. Omo the ba be test waters no. E be hwe the Ghana for beka cause Ghana for answer that kan say hu we bre ye ni e de ma omo. Eno na nansi yen. Before that to force and ever be ready budget no. Education Minister Honorable Haruna Idrisu ebe kasai say wakoda adwene ho no ba bia opese o de Ghana school system education system be wo de fa ebe boa Ghana man yonkoso ebe mo man betima koye nim no o de ho sem eba ho kwa no ka say double track system no ye be kwa close ye be kwa end in 2029 ayun za kan say ye kwaje bosia ya kwaje loan $300 million ye de no be bie free SHS ni mu near the end double track system in 2029 yes hono kon kan dance na dey na no ninka san to so be kire mu say ye kindergarten peoples no kura no totofiwa no from KG to class 1 come say KG for the next totofiwa no omo no ye the new curriculum eba na new curriculum na ye dey ba no ye the teaching and learning of Chinese language and Arabic language no ye the ba be shem amoyen totofiwa mo from totofiwa o ma start esua Chinese kasa omo be has ye esua China for kasa e wo Ghana ha na say Ukrame fia o de ni hao ma shanta hao Ukrame fia o de ni hao ma ala say o mo de ni hao e be haya dwi ofie na eno na me no metie na o say ga na se si e munya botire o ye keji madam fo ya na be kire nkura no ana se be safa new teachers o mu na me nte ho na se madam fo na be kire nkura na say ye be fa new teachers o mu na be kire da keji fo no Chinese na Arabic no na ebiem so no se ye ma nkura no homework be fia ma be fo na be kire ma me for na be homework am nkura na say why na be ye e dey say unie why na be ya nkura no homework am now you know Ghana education system now Ghana be for say na say me hu say omodwene fa omone mo say o tina Ghana ha bobra ensi wi as a youth obebre the education system ye kire obi kasa kakra so that se wunya akwanya bi tu kwa ba kro ma wan kwa nkobere de bi hu no ano no omuni mo se wo tena ha bobra enya yi as a youth emfa ma etini ye kire o amanfo ni bi kasa kakra so that se akwanya bi ba na utu kwa ko ho no mo a wan kwa nkobere sa na me Ghana education system me ti ase system na ye so eyi bi ama it is not quite o the chief of surgery zebra doctor in museum say why any doctorate degree title oh doctor in philosophy of museum heritage doctor in museum meaning say Egypt museum was say mention museum was say me Kwame Nkrumah museum or museum hey titles also hey now you know Chinese kasa ya ye wa be kire ni school mu no no ana Ghana for say oh there be there but man na kasa ahwe agu o man na ahwe ase ye mpeni for na adwuro mo dwene de kire Ghana de de egoye ti wei ene nsem a Ghana for no abeka concerning this Chinese and Arabic in schools no.
Good evening, Ghana for. Dear boy, more did you say woman? Metia say, Ade Ghana for ye Arab asifo. Ghana for are we Arab descendants? Ye Arab asifo. Interior Minister. Ghana for ye Arab asifo now. Ghana for ye ka Arabic. Is it by force to speak Arabic in this country? Is it by force to teach our children teach our children Arabic in this country? Is it by force? I did tell the chairman Kolani to the university level. No, that's any willing or person or friends or see Arabic and any other language outsider. None any panning to Sunadi. Is it by force? That's an crime bampo. Is it by force? Is it by force? And say I by force. Mr. Ghana for the Mupacasa. A babo to me ye consider bia. No more from Wodi. Is it by force? By force say particularly try. Ye Arab asifo. Kwame Nkrumah po be worry Fatima po one force say yenka Fatima kwa kom kasa. One force say yenka Egypt kasa wo kurum ha. Kwame Nkrumah or worry Egypt for Egypt ni Fatia. One force say chinchile twa yensua Egypt kasa. Why? Ade na muko bomba foku na mene mo na mudi yenkwa betwa so. Is it by force? By force say ye friend say yesua Arabic ni China kasa wo kurum ha. What do you mean by that? I didn't know you take a decision. Anyhow, you take a decision and one kasa mu pe na mu de abegu mu di kumi yen adan. Mo man kolane kasa nyini to the university level no kasa Felix or be sua ne China Chinese kasa and also be ye bibia no kasa amfa ne penye. Mamu share ye ma. No wonder say ya ti Igbo school okroma na mo ye di emotion. Baby a pempe so Ghana akodru no. Pempe so mo di Ghana akodru no na. Te say ari o she say yensi obi krom kasa. Hausa kwa ye ka Ghana kwa Ghana for yenya Hausa for Ghana we don't speak Hausa. We have no language. Ghana Hausa kasa ka Ghana kasa. Through migration and omodi migration on omodi friend say Hausa ba Ghana. Ghana ye ka Hausa ibi Hausa ye ka no Ghana kwa po nyenu ne ka no Nigeria ye fake poking one ye ka do kuma. Yenya Arab asefo, yenya Chinese for asefo. Sanko for wo mu penipa, wo mu pe blacks. Bibi ni adododi amunya we kurom ha no e no mo ba mu ne ye fresh why ade chichire twan say ye mansu Arabic gankasa kra ye mansu anwie ye gankasa ye mansu anwie ye ekuapem kasa dangoma kasa enzima edende ye mamusu anwie ye nya ka mutachira masokra Ghana ni bia ba bia ni wa mu se wotimi akọ school asua san kasa hina wie mu sa the English ni Chinese any Arabic be ka ye kasa ho ye Arabic asefo ye Arab descendants ye Arab asefo na ade na ya my asua trasa I don't get it. Is it by force? Is it by force chichile twa ye asua Arabic kasa ye Arabic asefo I'm saying you na moyo modos for parliament in paper for no modos for parliament ene na yam sa modos for parliament me hu sem paper for no modos for parliament intina I don't know from 2024 beba we shall see.
I am person me bisa Ghana mpanyimfo say school no ma akwa aboro so ana bebi a wo so mu ko school no duru no na ye o mu nduru ana say aye o mu nim bibi a ye nim because I don't see the logic and the common sense in say me timi kurom bibini Ghana ni ba me yedagati ni astanti ni ba ayigbeni kran ni ba frafra ni ba mamprusi ni ba say me nkofa obi kasa shenfo wenchon Chinese kasa mbesua me nkofa obi kasa wo Saudi tal yalla mbesua e wo mi sukuu mu but besi ne numerous of languages a ye wo Ghana mpanyimfo ntimi ma ba kompom be ye official language by force say Ghana fo nyine wo se kasa we die yesua enam tribe nti but Chinese kasa de ye mbesua de o pese o ka Chinese kasa no ade no nko Chinese school de o pese o ka Arabic kasa na ade no nko Arabic school anya bia Chinese fo no mu sua Ghana kasa ben wo mu school mu Saudi fo na Arabians no Ghana kasa ben no mu sua e wo mu school mu ukoka na the international language international language me pamoche wo French kura kosi sen mai tai Chinese nkwala no monko he de omo ye no omo school mu by this time practicals physically ayankura ate ho eye nyame wo ha nyame wo fie nyame wo ha nyina sa Chinese nkwala no be ye watches de abreye calculators on be ye de abreye toys on be ye de abreye ni nyina echi no ye se ekosua omo kasa aka ho by the way ye de ye den ni egu ye sokoro ye timi esua wie e wo mo se enya compulsory dey but it doesn't make sense krampo se mo be implement for what nti ade ni entimi mfo so twi da gwan ne kasa besen kwa China we are now about this Arabian countries the rest be English teachers Jessica omo kromo sua brofo no mo kasa no mo say ye trash e ka omo kromo ye yemfa ntu kwan Ghana de abanye be boko ka abe implement na nse yete ha Ibrahim Traore wo ye nkramoni sen no ne nkrofo tu kwan ko Saudi so mo kosua de Sharia law de abe kire ne mba o se mo hu nyansa nkasa mo ko fa companies aba mo kosua obi kasa ne de abe kire ye mba ene mo nka kurom o de o be ma no on san si ni kurom
anopa we me da sore ya GH1 TV according to GH1 TV ababa be post say from Eneko ye be start ya Chinese language ye be start ya Chinese kasa e wo Ghana schools nim ye be start ya Chinese kasa e na no pa yo me da so de GH1 TV aba be posti say Kinagati publish to learn Chinese language in Ghanaian schools or say Kinagati you purpose to learn Chinese languages in Ghanaian schools. Iti ye ba start actually Chinese kasa. Ewo Ghana schools. And this government among kwan. Say ye bra ne ye metre Chinese kasa wo Ghana school. And this government no this no. Wa ma ho kwai say ye bra metre Chinese kasa o ewo ye education ewo ye schools nim from kindergarten from KG ye bet from oya kola ketwa na ya kire o Chinese kasa ewo ye schools adie parent ye how adie ne how and this government adie parent ye how adie parent how Chirameni how and this government Chirameni how a dear pane how Chirameni how how come say sorry I will say yemra metre Chinese kasa I will schools yemra metre Chinese kasa I will school dear parent here how aden the Bonnie Ben parent Ghana for their yo. How many core subject to cry you or Ghana Hakuran and yes I'm ketwa subject you senior our Ghana schools nimuno and yes I'm ketwa in Korano Kura Huano what's that sort of Chinese casa dia back peso what's that sort of Chinese casa dia back and 0% Kolano Bodamana 0% Kolano add what F4 Mutrimuana Ade French kura yet no schools no French ne impact Benedict Brenimpa French ne yet no schools no French ne kura ne cover Togo Usia French woko Togo obetimi akasa oko Benin obetimi akasa oko Mali obetimi akasa other French countries ni bebre no oko ba obetimi aka French no ene kura na edoso no kura no impact Benedict Ghana for to learn the French Kankama China. Aden. Nti mumu jeje mu nyamuni manisa mu sorry ya na mu ba. Mu sorry education na mu apply ya dey be just like that. And this government ni sorry ya no di bibia bom pan. Sa on jini sa akwara ni betimi asua ana akwara ni nsua ni dia ne say ye dia ba akwara ni nsua asa this government ye bibia untimi nsusu ho fa ntire Ghana for say Ghana for ne to aba Obe apply Chinese kasa. Into what me from to Ghanaians and him. Say Ghana for the two abadi and this government. The whole Africa chile me kroba akope. Ayesua Ghana kasa. The whole Africa no chile me kroba akope ayesua Ghana kasa. Na fa ko Europe. The whole world chile me kroba akope. Wo mo chile Ghana for kasa e wo schools. Aden. Boni be parent Ghana for ya dia ye wo aden. Subject you so school kra ye hu ano. What see yes so the Chinese kasa e ba de ka ho. Aden boni be parent Ghana for ya ye wo. E ye boni be parent ye dia ye ndi government aden. Boni be say madam sorry am me jinu ho kra menti ase. Me tia me jinu me ma jinu ho sa menti ase. So how come say what ye ba be Chinese kasa wo school? How? Say ye ba be Chinese kasa wo. Chin chong chong, pin sin tong, in king ho, min pung sa, sin ka ha, in on a, is a, in aden, boni ben. Who school kura na say, who chi language ni kura chi language no, who school na say who ka chi ya na ye bo. Ye bo say wa wo ka ukrom ka say school no, na ye bo. One man who kwan say you met Chinese class at Ghanaian schools. Hey. How? Like how? Who says how the way you know man? Like how? Like how? How?
Kindergarten pupils to learn Chinese language in Ghanaian schools, a new curriculum being introduced by Ministry of Education. Samekaya, late last year or early this year, Mebeka Cham there, the Ministry of Education is trying to introduce Chinese language in our schools. Now, arguing on them either way. Another way, says yeah, from next academic year, the kids will be forced to learn Chinese language from kindergarten. Yeah, Uncle sorry, not work at the NDC abino wabonwa. Yeah, not the many maybe and on work at the mensaman. I've been to introduce the Chinese language at Becca curriculum to the extent they do kindergarten. Why? The two most important languages that have for the school, a mother tongue first, and our official language English second. In the yes way, Ghana, a lot of people can't read and write their mother tongue. I'm a Sanya Jehovah's Witness. I'm a queer watch him a crapim tree. I'm not the only Bible. I will use a crapim tree. I watch him a crapim tree. I'm the control BC. Inka, I didn't even know how to read and write my language. This way, go more fancy, mean to mentrol. And you crapim tree, a Jehovah's Witness for chairman. Like I can't even properly read and write my own language. What's the answer? China. China for kasa yeding. Edu university na se wankasa epede optional languages are. Ne kusunya Chinese, ne kusunya French, ne kusunya Spanish. You don't do this with the China bibo tukunya kwa China. Na China for tukunya baha. Kusunya ye local languages nibi. Swahili is the biggest language in Africa. Iko Eastern Africa. We know Swahili. Obrimi baka chanbade onche boko safari akoye duma wana boko towo Africa ntukusunya Swahili wakinagati. In the reality, in the next 20-15 years, and the move from Bay, what to conquer China, they will have devices or this and small. You can China, peno, otten one, nekasem. So, there, ahead. And this is the beginning of inferiority complex. Because, okay, different language, na untumen kana, ebeshen, the onka, but nankasane, kasane mother tongue, you know, the on your priority pe. But you know, on feel inferior. Then they see these people who are fluent in these languages superior. Abu Fraba or Kinagati, Ada started a chain, zebra crossing, Itrakwanya, Shehanaha, traffic light, red means stop, yellow means go, corruption and yet don't litter the floor. Now, or the engine, no Ubenino na can ho, not yet to me, they are solving flood, it are solving accidents, it are solving bribery and corruption, are they? One Chinese. Education Minister, now, Ada, yo, or say, education more start a Ministry of Education, another more time, no way, and introducing STEM and all these things. One of the best appointments, another time, that was education. It's what they introduced China, yet, Ejina, Moyena, Yanko for work at the Marbon. On Chabana was okay, and starting Buddhism, because China for baby business or her, Yetumna, what's as they yet religion, I say.
You best stakeholders say what Ghana. And Ghana will phone you na ma obin dadamo. I was a casa mienu ya wode base yemba besua ewo yesuku mo mba be hya ase efi nkwala ntoto fefe waso no awofo mo gituma mo de Ghana akɔhye nkwaso mu de etiate saa ne se China fo nsua ye kasa Arab fo nsua ye kasa adenti na sese yen wokaka no Ghana na yen ni mo hare ene sese ye gi obi kasa tum se yen nsua no by force so nyansa wom ya hemfo mo ye den a big media stations there na mo ye awofo no ma mo kabie wom eden na mo ye enti mo betena ho mo ni mi se Ghana dachi ena ye ma ho kwan ema wode grow at pressure no enkwala ne dachi ye pese ye sen kwala na dwene French kura mo de ba ye kosi sen French ni mu na kosi sen 30 years ago ni 35 years ago mo amusuansua French kosi sen eni paso dodo sen na French etimi benefit your life ye be create industrialization na ya create nyuma na ya ma ya training skilled people to help the nation to boost the nation economy no the Ghana mpanyifo dwen hu ni obi kurom kasa na ya kura ye kurom Ghana kasa na ye wono kura inkran kura ye sua wie ewe no ye sua wie asantitwi no ye sua wie Dagoma kasa no ye sua wie Kusasi kasa no ye sua wie Mampurusi kasa no ye sua wie Nzima kasa no ye sua wie Fanti kasa no ye sua wie aden na ye ma sikedi ye nimu ka ye nka no kure kakra sempanyifo aden tina ye mpanyifo ma ton ma huni mu saa sikanti muntimi si gina pa emfa mo man ne dachi aden onyuntufu bi na to ne nwumo se sanka mi woni so ti se poa ka mesuwa ma me man Ghana o man na mo de go ato pressure ano o man na mo di agre japade ye di agya mo hwede mo ye no
yes kg for besua Chinese language school Chinese language you Charlie the secret they funny me French akasa po yehusu French akasa yehusu French kobisa zygote school French class who me o French class you no go see me BC po French po Mamba school BC French po Mamba school answer na Chinese hey Charlie if you born the some over the enyo in the semisi beba good morning in Chinese enyo chin chong me boss ni chong jang no kabuka chini aido ona minti araga ona minti
so wa bi fuma me e wo comment section hype Penyah Block Media aga